Let's see how to insert Roman numbers in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are many ways that you can insert Roman numbers into your Word document. First off, if we want to simply type our Roman numerals, we can simply type in as they are. So that will be I, two I's, three I's, or IV if you want four, and so on and so forth. However, let's say that we want to insert them as part of a bulleted list or a numbered list, such as this one. Click on this icon right here, and you'll see that you have the option to set it into Roman numerals, in capital letters, or in small letters. And that is how you can basically insert Roman numbers into your Microsoft Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.